This is the mall elevator at Rolling Oaks Mall in San Antonio. This button is replaced. Oh my gosh, this thing is like falling apart. Well, that's a mall elevator, so what do you expect? I heard that mall elevators are known for being neglected. Or people are gonna be inside there, so. All right, here's the elevator. Going up, let's be quiet so we can hear the motor. This thing takes forever to level. I just rode this thing 5 seconds ago. All right, here's our elevator. Adam's replacement button. Love that bell chime. That one lights up. Look at that. This one's looks like that one's California code compliant. Oh! I'm sorry about that.
That's no problem.
I didn't even see you there. Here's your ADA phone. Look at that. That's California code. That's an Adam's replacement call button. This one's different. Never seen that before. Alright, let's get off here.